Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be reviewing the YSL LouLou handbag. I purchased this handbag in October and I did do an unboxing and mention that I'm going to be using this bag every day. So I've been using it pretty much every day for the last going on 3 months. At this point, I feel like I can definitely review this bag. I can share with you guys my opinions, my thoughts on this bag. I'm going to be sharing dimensions, showing you the bag. I'm also going to be showing you guys how the bag fits on someone with my height, and I am 5'4". The YSL LouLou handbag I'm going to be reviewing is my gray LouLou handbag. Well, the actual color is the dark smog color. And to me, that's definitely one of the pros to this bag. It's the color combo that I chose. So once again, this is in the dark smog color and it comes with the bronze metal hardware. I'm not sure if you can get this color, the dark smog color, in another hardware, but for me, I love this hardware. The dimensions of this bag is 9.8 inches this way, 6.6 inches this way, and 3.5 inches this way. So even though those are the dimensions of the bag, which does sound a little bit small, and it is the YSL LouLou handbag small, I find that this handbag holds way more than the dimensions actually make it out to be. So while we're on the exterior of the bag, I want to share with you guys that the bronze metal is actually all on the shoulder strap. Also, right here on the bag, you have 4 little bronze metal areas where the shoulder straps come out. And I love that on that it has the beautiful little detail of Saint Laurent right on there. Not sure if you can see that. Another thing that I love about this bag is if you pay close attention on the leather, which this is calfskin leather, it's quilted in a Y form. So if you see it, which I think is just a stunning detail, if you look at it, it's quilted and you can see that it's into a Y. Not sure if you can see that. Maybe from the back you can see it better, but it's quilted in this Y shape right here. And then it's just quilted to follow that Y pattern. Love, love, love that detail. Before we go into the interior of the bag, this strap, while doubled up like this, drops at 30 centimeters. When it's lowered to one strap, it drops to 56 centimeters. And another great detail about this bag is that on the straps, not sure if you can see that, but on the straps it says Saint Laurent Paris. There's just so much beautiful detailing to this bag that makes me really, really like it. So many pros. So now on to the interior of the bag. And this is where one of the cons, and to some people this may be a pro, but for me it's a con. It's the actual closure of the bag. Like, I find myself struggling so much to open it. There we go. So it's a magnetic closure. And like I said, some people may love how strong that closure is. I just don't like it because when I'm using it, I don't want to be in a store, which has happened to me numerous times, fighting to open up the bag. However, if someone does try to get in my bag, it makes it that much harder for them to get into it. But yes, this is the interior of the bag. And while we're on the closure of this bag, I want to share with you guys, which is something I wish I knew, is when you buy this bag, it comes with the blue little sticker piece to kind of protect the closure or the hardware while it's in store. I personally wish that I had kept it on because it really is already scratched. I'm really not someone who, I don't want to say doesn't care for their bag, but I'm not really cautious, or I'm not really like, oh my God, I can't put my bag here, or I can't, like, I'm not like that. However, I do wish that I had left that sticker on the bag. So if you're planning on purchasing this bag, if you're watching this video because you want to learn more about this bag, I would recommend that you leave that sticker on the bag just to avoid all the scratches that will get on the hardware. So continuing with the interior of the bag, so you have the quilted leather right here, but in the interior it's just this soft, beautiful calfskin leather. The interior, let me take these out. The interior of the bag looks like this. It has 2 compartments right here. I'll take these gift cards out. Okay, so here's the interior of the bag. It has these 2 compartments right here, one in the front, one right here in the back, that's separated by this zippered compartment right here that holds so much, like so much fits in here. It's really deep. And then so much, once again, like I mentioned, don't let the dimensions throw you off or the fact that it's called a small bag. It fits so much in these compartments. Then you also have this little compartment, not sure if you can see it, this little compartment right in the back, which essentially makes it 3 or actually 4 compartments, because you have this one right here, the zippered compartment, and then this front compartment right here, and then you have the dark smog colored leather all throughout the interior of the bag, like the top part of it. It says Saint Laurent right here in this gold lettering, as you can see right here. Then it also says Saint Laurent right here. Not sure if you can see that, but like I mentioned, this bag holds so much in the interior. I can probably do a what's in my bag on this bag as well. Right now I don't have anything in it. As you saw, I just pulled out the paper stuffing that I had in there and a couple gift cards, but I can definitely do a what's in my bag featuring this LouLou handbag. Also, I did not share, but the leather, this calfskin leather is so soft, and when you squeeze it, the bag just comes right back to its natural form. If you're looking to purchase the LouLou handbag, I would definitely recommend it. Like I mentioned, I would definitely recommend, if you're purchasing this handbag new, that you leave that sticker on the magnetic closure. Whether you have this bag or you're planning on purchasing this bag, hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Also remember to subscribe down below. Walk in peace and joy. Until next time.